If you're looking for a free AI tool you can actually use to generate your image to video, create cinematic AI videos that can actually pass YouTube monetization without being flagged for inauthentic content, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a free and unlimited AI tool you can actually use to create your video. But before that, just watch this video. Everything is so perfect.
Wait, did we order 1 pizza or 10?
I only clicked extra cheese, not feed the whole neighborhood.
Where do I put the other boxes?
So guys, the website we're going to be using is called Google Veo. So go to your browser and search for Google Veo. Google Veo, okay? So this is it right here. So once you get to the website, this is what the interface looks like. Okay? If you look down here, you're going to see sign into Veo. Click on sign into Veo. Okay, so you're expected to choose an email. I'm just going to choose an email. So choose an email. So guys, you may actually see this prompt. Want to create a video, go to vid.google.com on a computer. So what you need to do is to just look at this three dots above here, tap on it, and then scroll down and select desktop sites. Okay. So once you do that, it's going to allow you, okay, without doing that, it's going to ask you to go and use your laptop. And once you're able to do what I've just shown you, you can be able to use your phone to do this, okay? Guys, you are literally going to be using Google Veo 3.1 for free, and it is highlighted here already, okay? This is what the interface looks like, and this is what you're going to be using to create, okay? So just tap on this place that says VEO 3.1. Let me zoom it so you can see. This place that says VEO 3.1, just tap on it. And it's going to open you and it's going to bring you to this interface, okay? It says create from scratch. And then you can see VEO 3.1. Tap on that VEO 3.1. Once you tap on VEO 3.1, it's going to bring you to this interface right here, where you can literally see everything very well. You can see VEO for your video, you can do your voiceovers, you can generate your image using Nano Banana and all of that. So if you click on this create from scratch here, click on it. You can see create from scratch, generate. Let me zoom it so you can see very well. You can see generate a video from text and images, animate an image, turn an image into a video. Okay, let's say you already have, let us click on this turn an image into a video. Okay, animate an image. Now let's say you already have an image. All you need to do is to click on this drop down arrow here and then select an image. Okay, it's going to bring you to your gallery. So I'm just going to select a photo from here. From my gallery, I'm just going to select this photo right here. Okay. And then I'm going to describe what I wanted to say. In this way, it says add your image, then describe what should happen in your 8-second video. Yes, you can literally generate a video as long as 8 seconds. Okay, so I'm just going to say, make her talk and say, hi guys, do you know you can now use VEO 3.1 for free? Debbie will teach you how to okay. So I just hope this thing I've just typed here is not more than 8 seconds. Okay, I've selected my image and I've inputted what I wanted to say, right? So I'm just going to hit generate. Okay, our video is generating, and guys, it is actually very fast. It is so fast. You can see I never paid for anything. I never subscribed for anything. Okay. So I'm just wait for it to load, and we are going to see the result of this. Okay, it says the request looks okay, it says that request looks like it goes against our terms. Try asking something else. Okay. So I'm just going to change my prompt again. Do you know you can use 3.1 for free? Let me just change what I have there. Okay. Do you know, just keep watching. Just keep watching. Okay. Let's see if this one is not going to go against that, because, and sometimes this thing can actually be network. Okay. And AI is actually very funny. So you just have to keep on prompting and prompting till you get what you want, right? Click on generate. Guys, our video is ready. I'm going to play it right now.
Hey, do you know Google Vids now allows you to use VEO 3.1 for free? I will show you exactly how to do that. Just keep watching. Hey, do you know Google Vids now allows you to use VEO 3.1 for free? I will show you exactly how to do that. Just keep watching.
Guys, can you see that? Click on create, click on animate an image. Okay. Click on add image. And then I'm going to select this one. I'm going to select this one. So I actually want to do another one. You can see the first one we actually did was so perfect. The lip sync and everything is actually so nice. So I'm going to animate this one now. You can see this one is actually a picture of 3 girls. Okay. So I'll just go to ChatGPT and get a script so that every one of them is going to go to talk. So I will say, I'm going to set this, the picture to ChatGPT, the picture of the 3 girls to ChatGPT, so ChatGPT can do something with it for us. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, this is it right here. Okay, I will tell ChatGPT to I use this image, or create or write me an 8 seconds between these 3 girls. Okay. So I'm just going to click on send. Okay, write me an 8 seconds dialogue between these 3 girls. Okay, did you finish the assignment last night? Almost. I got distracted watching funny. Same here. At this point, we all deserve extra marks for effort. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this. Okay. I'm just going to come here, input my prompt here. Okay. Dialogue. Okay. So I hope this actually goes as well. I'm going to hit on generate. Like, one amazing thing about this tool is that it is actually very fast. It is so very fast. You can see how fast the other one generated. Guys, don't joke with this update. Don't joke with this update, guys. It says the image that you provided contains a minor which isn't allowed by our content policy. Okay. Okay, because I used image of school children. So I'm just going to change my image. I'm going to add another image. Oh, okay. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to select this one. Okay. I need to, let me just remove one person. I'll just change it to all to laugh while working together. Okay. I just need to reprompt this in, or let me change the dialogue entirely and get a dialogue for just two people. Okay. I'll just go back to ChatGPT and send this picture to ChatGPT. Let me send the picture to ChatGPT. This is it right here. I'll just say, give me dialogue for these two. Okay. So I'm just going to copy it. Just going to hit on generate. So guys, our video is ready. I'm just going to play it.
Did we order one pizza or 10?
I only clicked extra cheese, not feed the whole neighborhood.
Where do I put the other boxes? Wait, did we order one pizza or 10?
I only clicked extra cheese, not feed the whole neighborhood. Cheese,
I'm
not
just
feed the
going
whole
to
neighborhood.
Did we order one pizza?
So guys, you can see we've been able to generate 2 images without paying for anything. Okay. You can see, so we've been able to make our image to talk. So guys, are you going to try this too? If you enjoyed this video, do also give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell for more videos like this. If you have a video idea, you can drop in the comment section and I'm going to do that for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.